Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that can dramatically enhance the beauty, functionality, and value of your home. For homeowners in Coppell, installing a bay window is an excellent way to increase natural light, create additional interior space, and elevate curb appeal. Whether you're planning a home renovation or simply looking to upgrade your living area, understanding the bay window installation process can help you make confident, informed decisions. Here's what Coppell homeowners should know before installing a bay window. What is a bay window? A bay window is a multi-panel window structure that extends outward from the exterior wall of your home. Typically consisting of a large fixed center window flanked by two operable side windows set at angles, bay windows create a spacious, light-filled focal point in any room. In Coppell homes, bay windows are often installed in living rooms, dining areas, or master bedrooms to maximize sunlight and enhance the overall layout. Benefits of installing a bay window: increased natural light. Bay windows allow sunlight to enter from multiple angles, brightening your interior and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. This is especially beneficial in Coppell, where homeowners enjoy sunny weather throughout much of the year. Expanded interior space. The outward projection of a bay window adds usable space inside your home. Many homeowners use this area for built-in seating, reading nooks, or decorative displays, enhancing both comfort and functionality. Enhanced curb appeal. Bay windows add depth and character to your home's exterior, making it more visually appealing. This architectural feature can significantly boost your property's value and attract potential buyers if you plan to sell in the future. Improved ventilation. The operable side windows provide excellent airflow, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your home, an advantage during Coppell's mild spring and fall seasons. Important considerations before installation: structural requirements. Because bay windows extend beyond the home's exterior wall, they require proper structural support. A professional installer will evaluate your home's framing and ensure it can accommodate the additional weight and projection. Energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are designed with energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These upgrades help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs, an important factor in Coppell's warm climate. Material selection. Bay windows are available in various materials, including vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite. Vinyl and fiberglass are popular choices in Coppell due to their durability, low maintenance, and resistance to heat and humidity. Customization options. Homeowners can personalize their bay window installation with decorative glass, grille patterns, and custom finishes to match their home's architectural style and interior design preferences. The bay window installation process. Understanding the installation process can help set expectations and ensure a smooth experience. Consultation and measurement. The process begins with an in-home consultation where professionals assess your space, take precise measurements, and discuss design options tailored to your needs. Preparing the opening. On installation day, the existing window is carefully removed, and the opening is prepared. Structural reinforcements and support brackets may be added to ensure stability and long-term performance. Installing the bay window. The new bay window is positioned, secured, and sealed to prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. Proper insulation and weatherproofing are critical to achieving optimal energy efficiency. Finishing touches. Interior and exterior trim are installed to create a seamless, polished appearance. The installation team will test the window's operation and ensure everything functions correctly before completing the project. Most bay window installations in Coppell can be completed within 1 to 2 days, depending on the complexity of the project. Professional installation matters. Due to the structural and technical requirements involved, professional installation is essential for bay windows. Experienced installers ensure accurate measurements, proper support, and airtight sealing, helping you avoid potential issues such as drafts, leaks, or structural stress. Working with qualified professionals also ensures compliance with local building codes and maximizes the lifespan and performance of your investment. A smart upgrade for Coppell Homes Bay window installation offers a perfect blend of beauty, functionality, and value for Coppell homeowners. From increased natural light and expanded living space to enhanced curb appeal and energy efficiency, this upgrade delivers both immediate and long-term benefits. If you're looking to transform your home with a stunning architectural feature, a professionally installed bay window can provide the comfort, elegance, and performance you desire. By understanding the process and working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy a seamless installation and a beautiful new focal point in your Coppell home for years to come.